Test 5-3, Financial Literacy. Make sure to put your name, date, and class period on your test, and make sure you have a calculator and a pencil. If you do not have a calculator and a pencil, please raise your hand or let Ms. Dawes know that you do not have a calculator or a pencil. Make sure you have a reference sheet. It is important that you have a reference sheet because you will need to know the two formulas for simple interest and compound interest. Remember that you can rewind this audio as many times as you need to. We are going to start your test now. Good luck. Number 1. Sophia invests $12,350 in an account that earns 4.5% annual simple interest. Assuming she makes no additional deposits or withdrawals, how much interest will Sophia earn after 36 months? Number 2. Lamb plans to start depositing $175 each month into an interest-earning savings account. According to his online calculations, the balance of the savings account in 5 years will be about $12,100. How much of the final balance will come from interest earned? A. $10,500, B. $1,600, C. $875, or D. $2,300. Number 3. Arthur took out a $12,000 personal loan. The monthly payments required based on the length of the term are shown in the table. Which is a true statement about Arthur's repayment of the loan? A. Arthur will pay about $1,339 less in interest if he chooses the 3-year loan. B. Arthur will pay about $2,257 more in interest if he chooses the 5-year loan. C. Arthur will pay about $918 less in interest if he chooses the 3-year loan. Or D. Arthur will pay about the same amount in interest regardless of which the loan length he chooses. Number 4. Cecilia has $800 in an account earning 4.5% simple interest. How much more interest would her account earn in 7 years with annually compounded interest? A. $25.42, B. $36.69, C. $61.25, or D. $58.72. Number 5. Which of the following does not describe an advantage of having and/or using a credit card? A. You can potentially earn rewards while using your credit card. B. Credit cards can allow you to build good credit by making your payments on time. C. Credit cards can be helpful in this case of emergencies. Or D. Credit cards can help you stay within budget since you can't spend more than what's in your linked bank account. Number 6. Julio invests $6,100 into an account that earns 5.2% annual compound interest. If Julio makes no additional deposits or withdrawals, Which best represents the amount of interest Julio will earn after 8 years? A. $3,050.73. B. $9,150.73. C. $15,250.73. Or D. $2,120.73. Number 7. Which interest rate and time period result in the lowest total loan repayment for a $4,000 loan earning simple interest? A. 3 years at 11%. B. 3 years at 13%. C. 4 years at 8%. Or D. 4 years at 11%. Number 8. Hunter took out a $3,500 loan with interest to pay for some business supplies. He will repay the loan in 3 years with monthly payments of $109.68. Find the total amount of Hunter's repayment as well as the amount he paid in interest. Find the total repayment. Number 9. Gina deposits $150 at the start of each year into a college savings account that pays 4% simple interest at the end of each year. She does not deposit the interest she earns each year. How much total interest will Gina earn on her deposits through the end of the 5th year? Number 10. Ashley is considering attending the state university to obtain a 4-year bachelor's degree. For 1 year, the tuition and fees are $9,890, room and board are $88,250, and books are $680. What will the total of these costs be over the next 4 years? A. $18,140. B. $18,820. C. $37,640. Or D. $75,280. Number 11. DeMarcus starts with $1,200 in a college savings account. His account earns interest at a rate of 1.8% compounded annually. How much money is in the account after 6 years? A. $1,221.60. B. $1,265.97. C. $1,329.60. Or D. $1,335.57. Number 12. Kim's personal loan of $8,000 will be paid off in 5 years, but she doesn't know if she will be approved for a 6% or 12% interest rate. Her monthly payments based on the interest rate are shown. 6% rate of payments of $154.66 per month. 12% rate of payments of $177.96 per month. When comparing how much more will Kim pay in interest at the end of 5 years if she has to have the 12% rate instead of the 6% rate? A. $116.50. B, $1,279.60, C, $1,398, or D, $2,677.60. Number 13. Which of the following does not describe a behavior that demonstrates financial responsibility? A, making only the minimum payment on a credit card bill each month. B, setting aside a percentage of your paycheck each month for savings. C, looking for a credit card with the lowest possible interest rate. Or D, checking your account balance before making purchases. Number 14. Chris, in considering living at home for his freshman year of college in order to take some of his basic classes, according to the expenses in the table below, how much would Chris save his first year if he stays home and attends the 2-year community college instead of a 4-year public university? Number 15. Fred deposits $75 each year in an account, earning 3% interest compounded annually. If he deposits an additional $75 per year and does not make any withdrawals, how much interest will the account earn in the 4th year? Number 16. Which form of a financial aid can students use to help pay for their college education without having to eventually repay the financial aid received? A, work-study earnings. B, scholarships. C, grants. Or D, all of the above. Number 17. Claudia is going to buy a used car for $10,000. She can finance it at a car dealership for 14% simple interest, or she can get a loan from the bank for 8% simple interest for 3 years. If she chooses to finance with the dealer, she can choose either a 3-year or 5-year loan. Number 17. Find the amount of Claudia's monthly payments. A, for 14% for 3 years. B, 14% for 5 years. And C, 8% for 3 years. Number 18. Claudia is going to buy a used car for $10,000. She can finance it at a car dealer for 14% simple interest, or she can get a loan from the bank at 8% simple interest for 3 years. If she chooses to finance with the dealer, she can choose either a 3-year or 5-year loan. Number 18. Find the amount of Claudia's total repayment. A, 14% for 3 years. B, 14% for 5 years. And C, 8% for 3 years. Number 19. Claudia is going to buy a used car for $10,000. She can finance it at a car dealer for 14% simple interest, or she can get a loan from the bank at 8% simple interest for 3 years. If she chooses to finance with the dealer, she can choose either a 3-year or 5-year loan. Number 19. Find the amount of interest Claudia would pay A, 14% for 3 years, B, 14% for 5 years, and C, 8% for 3 years. Number 20. Claudia is going to buy a used car for $10,000. She can finance it at a car dealer for 14% simple interest. Or she can get a loan from the bank at 8% simple interest for 3 years. If she chooses to finance with the dealer, she can choose either a 3-year or 5-year loan. Number 20. If Claudia wants the lowest possible cost for the loan, which option should she choose? A, 14% for 3 years, B, 14% for 5 years, or C, 8% for 3 years. Number 21. Brian has $250 in his savings account. He starts a new job next week and spends $300 on tickets to a sporting event to celebrate. Is his decision financially responsible or irresponsible? Explain. Number 22. Andy invested $1,000 in a savings account. After 4 years, the account had earned a total of $112 simple interest without any additional deposits. What was his interest rate? Number 23. Jameson and Quincy each deposited $7,000 into accounts that earn 6% interest, but Jameson earns an annual simple interest while Quincy earns annual compound interest, assuming neither one of them makes any deposits or withdrawals for 60 months. Which of the following is a true statement? A, Jameson will have about $2,100 more in his account than Quincy. B, Jameson will have about $9,367.58 less in his account than Quincy. C, Jameson will have about $267.58 less in his account than Quincy. Or D, Jameson will have about $2,367.58 more in his account than Quincy. Number 24. A group of friends set a goal to live within their means by not letting their car payments exceed 10% of the monthly income amounts. The table below shows the income and car payments of each person. Which friend is demonstrating financial responsibility by staying within the goal of not having a car payment that exceeds 10% of their monthly income? A, Allie, B, Ben, C, Carlos, or D, Daria? Number 25. Faye has $5,000 that she is going to deposit into 2 accounts as shown. Assuming that Faye does not make any additional deposits or withdrawals, find the combined amount of the accounts after 15 years. This is not a multiple choice. This is going to be a fill in the blank answer choice. Double check and make sure that your name, date, and class period is marked on your test. Also, mark your answers on your answer sheet or your answer document. And when you are finished, you may turn your test in to me.